once you log in into your dashboard, you see the screen. Onto the left side you can click on orders. So after you click on orders, onto the right just click on export. Once you click on export, you get this option. In this option, please select orders by date. If you want to select or download orders, for example from 1st of October to the 5th of October, select these dates here and then click on here called as export orders. Once you click on that, automatically there will be an email which goes to the registered email ID. This is the registered email ID here. So this goes to the registered email ID. You can download the Excel sheet from it and then you can do the next steps that you are planning to.